In this beginner series video, you will get familiar with the Lightning experience. You will identify the icons in the Lightning header and learn what each of these icons does. You will also be accessing your profile page and personalize it. We will also see the help options which are available to us in the Salesforce Lightning experience. The Salesforce header provides a persistent look and feel and access to these icons whichever app you are currently working on. So even if we switch out of the KiwiTech app and if we, let's say we go to the Chatter app, you can see that the tabs have changed. The home page can be a different home page, but the icons on the header remain consistent. Let's move back to the KiwiTech app. The first thing you encounter is the global search. Using this, you can search for any data elements within your Salesforce org. So let's say if you are searching for a person, you can just start typing the person's name and you'll be seeing the various contacts that meet your search criteria. Or let's say if we type in Grant, it shows us an account which meets the search criteria. It shows us various opportunities that have this search keyword, and it also shows you a contact who is associated with an account with the word Grant. So similarly, you can just type in any word that you want. Now, here it is actually going and searching in a custom object that has been created called keychain model, and it is searching out records that have the word gold anywhere in the record. Next, we have the help. Under Salesforce Help, you'll see the various options, tutorials, videos, and Trailhead support where you can continue your learning experience by visiting the relevant modules. Using the setup button, you can set up, maintain, and customize your org, assuming you have admin permissions and have setup visible to you. You can also access your profile and you can view and update your personal settings. These personal settings are different from the org setup that you do using this gear icon. Next, the app launcher is where you can search and switch between apps. So you can go from KiwiTech to maybe the sales app, or you can even search for objects using the app launcher. So if you want to go to opportunities, you can of course access it using the tabs, but you can also search for opportunities in the app launcher and reach the opportunities tab. Or if you are in some other app which does not have the tab visible, but you have access to the object, you can search for that item and it will open up a temporary tab in that new app as well. We can also look at view all, and that shows you all the apps that you have access to, all the items or objects that you have access to. If you have created a dev org using Trailhead, you will generally have admin access and you'll see a lot of items. If you're working in your organization's production settings, you may see a limited number of items that you have access to. Moving back to the KiwiTech app, notifications is where you will keep track of your notifications, including task reminders, chatter post mentions, approval requests. The bell icon also informs you when you have unread notifications, and you can quickly jump to the details from the notification list. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the utility bar, and depending on how the utility bar has been configured for you in your Lightning app builder, you can quickly access the productivity tools from this persistent footer. You can include utilities for taking notes, displaying chatter feeds, or displaying list views, accessing recent records, etc. If you don't see a utility bar in your org, you can go to the Lightning app builder and try adding a utility bar yourself. Your favorites list will allow you to create shortcuts to records, lists, groups, or other pages that you work with regularly. Global actions help you to quickly create a new event, task, etc. Work on common actions. Global actions can be configured to help you create tasks and events, take notes, or log call details, or create a new lead, case, or opportunity from anywhere in the Salesforce. Since the header is persistent, even if you are working on a particular account, you can still access the global actions and create a new event that can be associated to any contact or account, not necessarily the account record that you are working on. If you wanted to create a record that is related to the account you're working on, you would use the quick actions on the account detail page. So for example, if we click a new opportunity, it is already linked to the account you're working on. whereas the global action will create a new opportunity that can be associated to any account. Let's now take a closer look at your profile settings. This is where you would edit the personal information that is stored for yourself. By clicking on your name, you will reach your profile page. You can view or update your photo. You can add information in the About Me section. And if you wanted, you could even edit the banner photo to personalize it for yourself. In the Help Center, you can add help resources that are specific to your org. So this section is completely configurable. You can get a curated list of contextual multimedia resources, like you can get links to either go to Trailhead or view relevant videos and add sections that are relevant to your org. Help for this page will be contextual to where you currently are. So currently we are on the home page and it's showing us general Lightning Experience help. If we are on an accounts page, the contextual help changes to manage accounts and view and convert leads on an account. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to enhance our productivity using the Salesforce Lightning Experience by using notes, files, tasks, event, and emails within Salesforce itself. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel and look forward to the new videos coming out.